So we haven't used the sprinkler system in about 6 months, and we're putting in new sod, and I come over here to find all of these frayed wires, and the sprinkler system is not working. These solenoid wires are not even attached. So we're gonna save the money and do it ourselves. First thing you want to do is cut off the power so you don't electrocute yourself. Sprinkler is number 27. Find 27 here. Cut it off. This is going to be for the Rainbird ESP Me. So you check this out. No power going. Switch it to off just in case. Then we're going to look in here. We've got 3 zones. So the blue, green, and red are in play, and the white we're going to connect to all of them. The other wires are insignificant. I went to Lowe's and picked up everything that we needed. They've got it set up to where they have sprinkler system wire there. Just pick the appropriate one. But if you need to know, it's 18 gauge on the small wires in there. Just make sure it has all the colors that you need. Some of the other colors were different, but it'll serve its purpose. It's the closest one that they had. We've got the caps here, the connectors. I end up replacing these for the waterproof kind, so you might as well get them now. Electrical tape, wire strippers, and a box cutter to cut through the insulation. I cut off the insulation, the outer covering, with the box cutter. Now I'm about to strip these wires, the ones that we need individually. Since this is an 18 gauge wire, you're going to put it at the 18 and strip it. Should look like this, just the colors that you need, and you're going to do that on both ends. And there you have both ends, the blue, green, white, and red. Now don't be too rough on me, guys. I know I gotta fix all that back there, but I'll do that on a later date. Just a tip, if you need to water your lawn and just see if your sprinklers are working, you just turn this, and turn this, and you'll get that water going. Just close it off tight. You could do it manually by hand, but we're gonna clean this up, make this look good, get the right wires that we need. I'm gonna cut it shorter, and then I'm gonna extend it with the wire that we brought in, and we're gonna get it all connected. I had to cut it back pretty far. You couldn't really see the colors here. It looked really confusing in the beginning, but now that I've taken back, I don't know, maybe about 2 inches, I could see the colors of the wires, and this is going to be a pretty easy task here. I cut the wires down using the bottom part of this. I was able to just clip them. You don't need an additional tool. You could do it with this. Remember, you only need red, green, blue, and white, so you could bend the other ones to the side. Then you connect the cables that are the same color and twist them, and then put this cap on them. I'll tape all this stuff later after I confirm that it works. Now we'll strip the solenoid wires. Now that you've got these all stripped, you're going to connect one wire to a color and the other one to the common wire, which is the white. But we're going to go to our electrical box, the Rainbird box, and we're going to go see which colors are there and in what order. That way we can connect this one to zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. So we've got the green on top, the red, and then the blue. So we're gonna go green, red, blue. I twisted and taped all the ones that are gonna be connected to the common wire. That way they stay together. All right, so it's all connected. Just keep in mind, one of these goes to a color, the other one goes to the common. A color, the other to the common. A color, the other to the common. In this scenario, it's green, red, then blue. The second wire, they all connect to the same white wire. You can see right there where I taped them. And keep in mind, I do switch these out here for waterproof ones, but it is showtime. Let's see if this works. Let's cut the power back on. All right, so we do have power. Still on off. We're gonna go to test all stations. Test 2 minutes. Let's go. Hold this down right here.
Bravo, bravo.
Oh, you get to see the wife's response here. Sprinkler system is working. I get a special dinner tonight. Ain't that right, baby?
Yep. What do you want? Steak or what?
Oh, steak and something is good. Steak and something is good. Look at that.